While the world eases into the new year, Silicon Valley's biggest players are quietly lining up moves that could reshape how we live, work, and use AI. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The world of tech is full of surprises for this year. Apple's expected to roll out fresh hardware, including the HomePod Mini 2, new iPads, and the iPhone 17e. Software updates like iOS 27 and macOS 27 are on the list, and we might even get a foldable iPhone. Apple is testing Veritas behind the scenes, which is a powerful AI system designed to supercharge Siri. On the other hand, Tesla's going full sci-fi with robotaxis, Tesla Semi, and a next-gen roadster with SpaceX-inspired tech. Microsoft is putting AI everywhere. Copilot and other AI tools will become standard across Word, Excel, and Outlook, making everyday work smarter and faster. Nvidia is doubling down on AI too with its upcoming Rubin platform and a major bet on inference tech aiming for long-term revenue. Google is keeping AI-powered smart glasses, new Pixel phones, and deeper Gemini AI integration across devices under the sleeve. Meanwhile, Meta's building next-gen AI models and pouring money into data centers, but its mixed reality glasses are still up for a delay. Amazon is refining AI-driven cloud services and smarter shopping tools, and Samsung isn't staying quiet either. It's with the race with Meta and Apple with foldables, smart glasses, and AI TVs ready to challenge and win. From silent AI wars to bold hardware innovations, it's a given that 2026 won't just be loud, but powerful too. Which company are you looking out for? Tell us in the comments, like and share the video. Subscribe to GadInsider and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Hey Apple fans! Leaked plans for 2026 reveal Apple's dropping a massive lineup of devices, from the iPhone 17e to M5-powered MacBooks and iPads. Is this their biggest year yet? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's unpack these epic leaks. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman dropped a bombshell, revealing Apple's plan for a flurry of devices by spring 2026 to drive revenue growth. Expect the iPhone 17e, redesigned by MacBooks, upgraded iPads, and a new Mac monitor. Want the full scoop? Keep watching. Kicking things off, the iPhone 17e, codenamed V159, replaces the iPhone 16e in early 2026. It keeps the sleek design of the iPhone 17 series, but upgrades to a powerful A19 chip for top-tier performance. This budget-friendly model is set to keep Apple's entry-level game strong. Apple's MacBook lineup is getting a major overhaul. New 14-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pros, codenamed J714 and J716, will rock M5 chips, delayed from 2025 to spring 2026. These are the last with the current design before OLED screens arrive later. Two MacBook Airs, codenamed J813 and J815, bring 13-inch and 15-inch M5-powered options, plus a new external Mac monitor, codenamed J427, succeeds the 2022 Studio display for pro-level visuals. The iPad lineup stays fresh with a new entry-level model, codenamed J581 and J582, launching March or April 2026 with a faster chip and familiar design. iPad Air models, codenamed J707, J708, J737, and J738, upgrade to the M4 chip for a massive performance boost, ensuring Apple's tablets stay cutting edge. Apple's 2026 launches, from the iPhone 17e to M5 Macs and iPads, aim to dominate the tech scene with powerful chips and sleek designs. This lineup could redefine user experiences and cement Apple's revenue growth. Which device are you most excited for? Drop it below. With launches starting early 2026, Apple's gearing up to shake up the tech world. Stay tuned for more details as we get closer. What's your must-have from this lineup? Let us know in the comments. That's the scoop on Apple's massive 2026 leaks. Are you hyped for the iPhone 17e's A19 chip or those M5 MacBooks? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Elon Musk is teasing the impossible, or maybe what you didn't see coming: flying cars. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. On Friday's Joe Rogan Experience, the Tesla CEO Elon Musk dropped hints that he might be cooking up a vehicle straight out of a sci-fi movie. Rogan asked if Musk was thinking about an electric flying car with retractable wings. Musk grinned and said, "I can't do the unveil before the unveil. I think it has a shot at being the most memorable product unveil ever." Comments came amid chatter about the Tesla Roadster prototype, which Musk described as having crazy technology, crazier than anything James Bond has. He promised a demo, hopefully before the end of the year, that will be unforgettable. Fans have been waiting since 2017 when the Roadster was first unveiled as the fastest production car ever made. Musk isn't the only one in this race. California-based Aleph has test agreements with 2 Bay Area airports for car trials that can take off vertically, while Joby Aviation is already running air taxi tests. But Musk's teasing suggests Tesla could jump into the game too. Musk made these comments just a day after OpenAI CEO Sam Altman poked fun at him over years-long Roadster delays. Musk has yet to officially respond, but clearly he's keeping the hype alive. And the drama doesn't stop there. On November 6th, Tesla shareholders will vote on a proposed $1 trillion pay package from Musk based on performance milestones, making this flying car tease more than just a publicity stunt. Musk's dreams of flying cars might be closer to reality than we think, and if he's right, we can see cars flying sooner than we imagine. Would you take a ride in it? Let us know in the comments. Samsung fans, get ready because the leaks for 2026's hottest handsets are here, and they're sparking serious hype. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Model numbers for both the Galaxy S26 series and next-gen foldables have surfaced, according to Android Authority, giving us the clearest glimpse at what's coming next year. Early 2026 is all about the Galaxy S lineup. Model numbers SM-S942, SM-S947, and SM-S948 have been spotted, pointing to the Galaxy S26, 26 Plus, or Edge, and S26 Ultra. Following the naming pattern of the S25 series, these numbers suggest minor but meaningful upgrades. While Samsung hasn't confirmed a launch date, leaks suggest an announcement could hit late January, with shipments starting mid-February. Past rumors hint the Edge variant may have been swapped for an S26 Plus, but either way, fans won't be waiting for long. And then summer 2026 will bring the foldables. Model numbers SMF971, SMF776, and SMF976 hint at the Galaxy Z Flip 8 FE, Z Flip 8, and Z Fold 8. Interestingly, the Flip 8 FE's number jumps 210 spots from the previous one, leaving fans wondering if Samsung's treating it as a major upgrade or if it's just a quirk in the numbering system. Based on past launches, July is likely for the foldables, although official dates haven't leaked yet. Samsung's 2026 lineup is shaping up to deliver both powerhouse flagships and next-level foldables, and fans are already buzzing. This has given us a roadmap, but with Samsung surprises, there could always be twists before the official unveil. Are you ready for a Samsung-packed year? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.